Alright guys, what's up? We got Leaf 2 mini helmet break from eBay coming up. Give me just 1 second. Alrighty guys, alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Yep, all teams are taken. Alright, spots for this from Robert Miller, Browns, Eagles, Bears, Ashley D, Chargers, Jets, Dolphins, Jeffrey S, Rams, Titans, Panthers, Michael S, 49ers, Randy C, Bucks and Cardinals, Michael D, Lions, Skins, and Seahawks, Frank, the Steelers, Matthew F, the Raiders, Kevin P, the Patriots, Chiefs, Texans, Colts, Ronald L, the Giants, Jim G, the Saints, Brian M, the Vikings, Kyle S, the Packers, Teddy, the Broncos, Marco B, the Cowboys, Scott V, the Falcons, Joshua G, the Ravens, Henry H, the Bills, and Jason Burgess, the Jaguars and Bengals. Alrighty, appreciate you guys taking the spots tonight. We got 2 mini helmets. Let's find some winners. Alright, helmet number 1. Jim Langer for the Dolphins. Hall of Fame 87 inscription. Jim Langer for the Dolphins. The Dolphins, that's Ashley D. And helmet number 2. Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. That is Frank D. Le'Veon Bell and Jim Langer, Dolphins and Steelers. There you go, guys. Appreciate you guys filling it up. Thanks so much. See you soon.